So now you are probably seeing how to accomplish your different advertising goals using many different combinations of audiences and adverts. And you are probably also realizing just how important it is to keep things organized. That's why nearly all display advertising solutions allow you to keep things under control by creating and managing as campaigns. You could have one display campaign aimed at certain film fans, with adverts featuring your interviews with up-and-coming directors. At the same time, another campaign could be dedicated to everyday moviegoers. These adverts might target cinema sites or film review sites. They can run on specific days of the week, like Fridays or Saturdays when people are going out to the movies. The message could be different as well, perhaps suggesting people come out to decide which films to watch this weekend. Display advertising can be used to target very specific audiences and even multiple audiences at the same time, depending on the message you want to send. Thinking about who you want to reach and what you want to tell them will not only keep your campaigns organized, it will also help you figure out the message, the tone, the style your display advertising should take. Understanding how these things work together will help you match the right message with the right people, and you will be well on your way. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.